Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video and another new series of unboxing the TWS. So on this series we'll be doing a different type of unboxing and reviews on different type of headphone and earbuds and earphones. So most of these earphones will be wireless, and as you guys know, there are different type of earbuds out in the market such as AirPods, Xiaomi AirDots, and then you have TWS, V8 and different type of earbuds. So in this series we'll be unboxing and doing and reviewing them one by one. Let's get into it. So right now we have TWS 4 from JBL. As most of you guys know, JBL is a very popular company, and they make headphones, earphones, earbuds, and they also make speakers. The quality that comes from the speakers and headphones from this company, it's in one of the top and high standards. So this is the reason why this company is very popular. And today we'll be doing an unboxing and review of the TWS 4 wireless earbuds. Without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. As you can see, it comes in a simple package. The package is made out of cardboard and it has been laminated on the top with the JBL texture and descriptions and the logo. On the front of the package you have the logo, you have the name of the headphone, and you have the design, and you have like a preview of what these earbuds will look like. So as you can see, it is touch control and it is wireless, and these earbuds specifically are made for sports. So on the back of the package you have a description in different languages. You have English, French, Spanish, Dutch, and then Italian. So there are two different colors available for these earbuds. First one is black, the second one is white. Now let's get into the opening and let's open the package. So inside the package you have your earbud, the TWS, and then you have your micro USB charger, and compared to the previous one, this one is very small. So this one will be around 15 to 20 centimeter long compared to the previous one, which was around 30 to 40 centimeter long. I had the black version of the earbuds TWS right here, and this is what we'll be looking into today. So the case is made out of plastic, and just like the previous TWS V8 4 which we did an unboxing on the last video. If you guys haven't checked that one out, I'll leave the link in the descriptions down below. So just like the V8 TWS, this earbuds is made out of plastic, and it looks like it's not a hard type of plastic, so it can be broken easily. And first thing you notice is that the case has 4 dots, so I assume these are the charging the charging indicators. So each dot might represent 25% of battery life. Whoa, okay, so these earbuds are completely different from the previous ones which you saw. These ones, they actually have a shape like they have the shape of your ear, so I assume this will probably be more comfortable, but we're gonna test that out in a bit. First, let's check out the material of the earbuds and let's check out the design. The major part of the design is that the earbuds are shaped in such a way that from where the music comes out, it will go straight into your canal of the ear, so the music is less likely to get leaked. So by that I mean that sometimes you'll have headphones or earbuds or earphones, so when you're listening to music, other people from outside, they will be able to hear what you're hearing, so if you play the music too loud. But with these earbuds, it is less likely to happen. Especially if you go to the gym and you work out, you might hate the music that is being played inside the gym, so you might want to bring your own headphone or earbuds or earphones. So this might be good ones as they're most likely to cancel out the outer noise, and then just to keep the noise that is coming from the earbuds trapped inside your ear. In a long-term run, that can damage your ear, but if you're just using it for gym and you're not constantly using these earbuds 24/7, then you'll be okay. For the design of the earbud, it is a very good one for the material that is made out of, and for having a a rubber antenna to grip into your ear. But one downside is that JBL doesn't provide you with extra pad. So if these pads are not comfortable in your ear, then you might have to go online or go into a shop and get yourself new pad which fits into these earbuds, and then you might be comfortable using them. I'm going to plug in the charger right now, and I want to see how long they take to charge, and if they have any indication light to whether they're charging or not. As I have mentioned before, so these earbuds, the case have 4 small dots, so I assume this will be the indication that these earbuds are charging. Whoa, okay, so this was not expected by me. As I plugged in the charging cable to the case, straight away there were 2 red dots on the top of the case. So this is a glass which you can see through, and yes, on the earbud you have 2 small red light which lights up whenever they're charging, and this is so cool. I hope you guys could see this in person. Also, the charging case, it's also lighting up a blue light, so this is another indication that the charging case is charging, and the red light is indicating that the earbud is charging. I mean, this is so cool, like just look at that. So you have a flashing blue light on the case, and you have 2 red light on the earbud, and when you close it, they actually look a bit creepy. Not creepy in a bad kind of way, but creepy in a good kind of way. If you light them up in the dark, they may actually look like 2 red eyes. So I'm going to leave this case and the earbud to charge for a bit, and then I'm going to do a quick sound quality test. I will get back to you guys soon. I will take you guys through the connection process right now. So I'm going to show you how to connect this earbud to your phone via Bluetooth. So first you'll have to take them out of the box. Once you take them out of the box, you'll see red and blue light blinking on both earbud, and suddenly the left earbud lights will turn off. So that's not a problem, so don't worry. So leave that one aside, and then on the right earbud, you'll see that the red and blue light will keep blinking. So in that case, on your phone, go into Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth, and then find a device that is called TWS4. Click on that, and the earbud will automatically connect to your device. Once it is connected to your device, both of the lights will go off, so that means that it's connected. So I just did a quick sound quality test, and I am really disappointed with the sound quality of this earbud, especially coming from a company like JBL. I was expecting the sound quality to be higher standard and much better than it performed. So I did a quick test with many songs. So some of the songs had lots of bass, but when I was listening to those songs with this earbud, I did not hear any bass. So the bass was very low, and to be honest, there was actually no bass. And also I tried to play some instrumental music and also some vocal music, and there were a lot of detail missing in the songs and in the music itself. So in terms of sound quality, this earbud performed very poorly, and I'm really disappointed. So let me take you through the controls of this earbud. So you press once in order to pause the music, and unlike the V8 TWS where you can press twice in order to move forward and skip the track, on this earbud, as soon as I long pressed or if I double pressed, I don't know why, but somehow the earbud and the phone took me to the phone call. So he asked me from which SIM card I want to call from, and that was just strange. I don't think on this earbud there might be actually a way to reset them, as I kept long pressing them and the earbud just kept taking me to phone calls. Right now I'm going to take you guys through the features and specification of the JBL TWS 4 wireless headphone and earbud. So the good thing about this earbud is that they support Bluetooth 5.0, so you get a faster connectivity. Another good thing is that it is waterproof and sweat proof, so it will not get damaged easily if you're using them in the gym or if you're using them in a rainy day. They are very lightweight, so it's only 5.3 grams, so each earbud weighs around 5.3 grams. Another good thing is that the standby time of the earbud is 48 hours, so you can carry them around easily and they will not run out of battery. Once you connect them to your phone, another good aspect is that the total battery remaining on the earbud will actually show on your phone, so you can see how much battery is remaining on the earbud directly from your phone. So that is another good aspect of this earbud. And one last aspect is that they are touch sensitivity, so you can touch them instead of pressing any button in order to pause the song. Another downside is the sound quality is very poor, and I did not like it at all, so that is another downside. And apart from this, and one more last, which is actually not good and I found it to be a downside, is that this earbud, they do not come with extra pad, so you cannot change the pad, and if it doesn't fit in your ear and if you're not comfortable with them, you might have to go and get yourself other extra pads. So that is another downside of this earbud. Get this earbud if you're a person who just wants wireless earbud just to talk over the phone or to communicate with other people, then get them, as you're not going to care about the sound quality as much as other people might, so you're just gonna need them to talk over the phone and that's it. But if you're a person who listens to music on daily basis and who enjoys listening to high quality music, then this earbud is not the one for you, as you're going to be disappointed for the sound quality. So this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. And my name is Ibrahim. I'm from Mobile Techland, and I will see you guys in the next video.